In 2017, one of the most significant data breaches in history occurred, affecting 147 million people involving Equifax, exposing critical security vulnerabilities. May 13, 2017, hackers exploited a vulnerability in Apache Struts, a web application framework used by Equifax. September 7, 2017, Equifax disclosed the breach to the public, which had been ongoing for several months. Equifax failed to apply a security patch released 2 months before the breach, leaving the system open to exploitation. Sensitive data was not properly encrypted, and the breach went undetected for months due to insufficient monitoring systems. The breach exposed critical data: social security numbers, names, birth dates, addresses, and credit card info. The attackers targeted valuable data for resale on the dark web, seeking to exploit stolen information for financial gain. To prevent the breach, Equifax should have promptly applied patches, better encrypted data, and improved monitoring systems. $700 million settlement. Equifax faced lawsuits and financial settlements to resolve claims and rebuild trust. Protect yourself. Use strong passwords, monitor your credit, be wary of phishing scams, and consider freezing your credit. The Equifax breach emphasizes the importance of cybersecurity and proactive data protection measures. Have you ever been affected by a data breach? Share your experience in the comments.